Hello, I'm Dr. David Liebeskind. I'm a neurology professor and director of the UCLA Stroke Center. This morning, I discussed collaterals in acute ischemic strokes at the SSF Neurology Grand Rounds. A recording of my talk can be found at ssfyoutube.org, so please check it out. Now here's what else is happening at SSF this week. The Mayo Clinic will host our interesting spine case discussion series Tuesday evening. The subject will be adult deformity. Wednesday, Dr. Pierre Passias from NYU will be the guest at our STED talk series, who will present on sacropelvic considerations in ASD surgery. Friday, we are proud to present, in partnership with the Global Spine Congress, our first Global Spine Journal Club, live from Bangkok, Thailand. Your hosts, Dr. Jens Chapman, Dr. Jeffrey Wang, and Dr. Karsten Wiekert, will moderate a spirited discussion of multiple GSJ articles. And please mark your calendar for May 25th, when we will hold our third annual image-guided interventional spine procedures course. Through cadaveric demonstrations in the SSF BioSkills Lab and expert lectures, we will explore the latest and most cutting-edge interventional spine procedures. As always, you can register for any of our courses at ssfcme.org. And thank you very much for your support of the Seattle Science Foundation.